A bug just hit production. You need to know exactly who changed that line and when. Your go-to command is git blame, followed by the file name. Git blame annotates every line of a file, showing you who last changed it and when. It is the standard way to trace any line back to its origin, and it is built right into Git. No extra setup required. The output shows 3 key pieces of information for every line: the abbreviated commit hash, the author's name, and the timestamp of that change. Together, these tell you not just who wrote that line, but exactly when and in which commit. A few flags sharpen your results. -L with a line range limits output to just those lines. -W ignores whitespace changes, so a reformatting commit does not show up as the last modifier. And -C detects lines that were moved or copied from another file. If you prefer a visual experience, you have excellent options. GitLens in VS Code shows inline blame annotations right inside your editor. GitHub's blame view lets you navigate history without leaving the browser. And to go even deeper, append a caret to the commit hash in your blame command. This targets the parent commit and lets you trace history through refactors and bulk formatting passes. Git blame is your first stop for line-level history. Layer it with flags and GUI tools for fast, thorough investigation. Follow for more Git tips. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.